that's one of them things where it's like whoever just decides to pay just pays. Like it don't even matter. Oh my gosh. Okay. Damn, y'all fancy asses.
Look at the bottle. It's you just.
Bruh.
You recording that? Oh, damn. Woo! It's the dessert.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, that girl Tracy, and I am here with my bitch, Brianna. Bree.
That's my government name.
Do you want me to edit it out?
No, you're good.
Okay. So today, as you can see, we are filming a mukbang. I got the Be Lovely sauce. Hold on, cause y'all, I gotta get the package. Alright, so as you can see, we have Be Lovely Smackalicious sauce in the mild. Y'all, when she came out with this, I was like, I have to try it because I love watching her videos. And yeah, it just looks so good. So we're just gonna eat and talk. And yeah. Wanna do a thumbnail?
Oh yeah. What you gonna grab?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Mine looks so baby.
Ooh.
This how she be doing them. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Stop, bro.
Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel like a mukbang. I'm a professional bitch.
Period.
This is what we've been waiting for. I don't even know. I want to grab an egg.
I know I do want to try egg, but let me try this crab.
This is the raw and authentic reaction. Raw and authentic reaction. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's definitely good.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, just be careful. Baby. I've been waiting on this. Waiting. Chill. That's all I don't even need no of this. I'm gonna get it.
You don't need no. You throwing them things.
Oops. Try egg. I've been waiting to try this egg. Yeah, that's good.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna have to order me some of this.
I gotta try to keep. Well, let me try
some seafood.
You're right. I'm playing. Oh my gosh.
This is good AF.
Oh my gosh.
Put the onions up it. Look at that.
Ooh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, shit.
But the sauce alone good as fuck. Like,
I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was, I don't know, I felt like people were doing like fake reviews on her sauce. But
it's actually good.
this is good.
Now I kind of want to try the hot or spicy.
Should I put Tabasco in this?
Tabasco? Did she say do that?
Oh,
She said the cayenne pepper. Try the cayenne pepper.
Ooh! What if this gets too hot for me?
Oh shit, huh? Think it's too hot? Don't put too much because cayenne pepper is spicy.
Bro, look how much I put.
Yeah, that shit is spicy.
You know, seafood is like, it's not too filling, so we'll probably eat a good amount.
This is like a food orgasm.
Whoa!
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah. Y'all, this literally just came off the stove.
Potato. Damn, I can't break it. It's a big ass potato.
I was trying to figure out if I need more cayenne. I think I do. Well, I hope this not too hot for me, cause I cannot do spice.
I like spicy.
But so I just made a video, a crime video, true crime video. I haven't edited it yet because I'm trying to get my life together. I just like, school is really kicking my ass right now, so I'm just trying to like get that together first because school is a priority before YouTube. But I have a true crime video. I have this video, and then I have 2 hauls coming up. So yes, I just want to say thank you again to all my new subscribers. Like, I don't know, getting to 1,000 was my year goal, and I'm at 1,700 right now. So it's just like, wow, like all those people wanted, like they felt like I was good enough to subscribe to. It's just, it's a good feeling, you know. So thank y'all again, and stay tuned for more videos because they're coming.
Period.
That's what you fucking get. But yeah, do you want to
Cucumber. I haven't tried it. Let's see. See, y'all be dipping.
You gotta scoop.
Scoop it up.
bro? It tastes so much better spicy.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Look out for that.
Try mine. Like, it's not too spicy.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. Oh!
I'm playing because I'm not eating like I should. And how are you getting these open like this?
Baby, I'm from Virginia. You seafood out there. Let me stop playing. I'm gonna probably make it. Let me see that spoon.
Bree came to eat, y'all.
Okay. I've been waiting, y'all. I've been waiting for this for like a week.
Yeah, I told her that I was filming this and I wanted her in my video. Oh, shit. So here we are. And go ahead and plug yourself, bro. Tell them about your channel.
Check out my YouTube channel. Now, I ain't posted in a while, but I'm getting back on it. Allure Bree, ALLUREBRI. Look me up on Insta _Allure Bree. I can make you a wig. I got good prices.
She made this wig, y'all.
I made that wig.
She made this wig.
I did these passion twists. Hit me up.
Hit her up, bro.
I got you on the good prices, so hit me up. I've had crab legs for like, I don't know how long. I forgot we had lemon.
I forgot too.
Hold up.
Y'all, we really tried to do this like Bethany
Just
does,
like her.
just like
Yes.
Miss B Lovely. Oh my gosh.
That lemon with the cayenne, that's the goodest.
That's it?
Oh, I need another one, no. That's good.
Baby, I'm over here. Y'all, I just started eating crab this year, probably a couple months ago.
Really?
Yeah. So we have some topics that we're gonna talk about just so that we're not in front of y'all eating, just dry eating. We're gonna talk about Deja and T.I., his daughter. So basically, if you don't know, he had an interview and he was talking about how he goes with her to the gynecologist because he wants to make sure that she's still a virgin. Mind you, she's what, 18, 19? 18 years old, and he feels the need to take a trip to the gynecologist with her just to make sure. And like, I feel like one, he has
no right. I mean, you're her father, but
like, I understand. I feel like he just went about it the wrong way. It's very invasive, and like, I'm pretty sure he's not doing that with his sons. He's probably not as strict with his sons like he is with his daughters. So like,
and honestly, when it comes to your children, you can teach them so much, but at the end of the day, they're gonna do what they want. You just gotta hope and pray that they follow what you taught them, but your daughter or son might be a hoe. And you probably taught them to be decent children. If they're a hoe, they're a hoe.
This lemon.
Yeah, that lemon, I'm telling you, that lemon is different.
And like, my biggest issue is where's her mom?
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Because
she let him do that?
I understand the situation, but if anything, I feel like it would be better if it was the mom going to the appointments with her.
Like, honestly, I feel awkward if my dad went to a gynecologist appointment with me and was checking to make sure it's her. And let me state some like medical facts. Just because your hymen is torn does not mean you're not a virgin.
Facts.
Your hymen can be torn from doing the splits, from riding a horse, from anything. Like, a lot of times females don't even know. Like, your child, her hymen can be torn and you just don't know.
Right.
Just because you have sex, I mean, you can be a virgin and your hymen can be torn. So he's honestly just uneducated to me when he stated that, talking about checking her hymen.
It's just, I feel like, how do you think she feels knowing that she's, I don't know. And then the fact that they're a public figure, that's something you could have kept to
You don't
himself.
say that.
Now everybody's looking at her and him weird, really him.
They said she turned her comments off and everything. Like, people been coming at her and
like for, creeps. It's like some creeps out
they
there.
asking her if her hymen's there. That's ridiculous. You set your daughter up for that. Like, that's ridiculous.
Oh, I forgot there was corn.
I don't even notice the corn.
Y'all,
Oh, let me try sausage.
I forgot about everything.
You know when you've been waiting for something?
Bro, I've been talking about this video for so long.
Like 2 weeks, I feel. Before you ordered it, you said you was gonna order it. Bethany did her thing.
Bethany must be lovely. If you ever see this video, just know. I'm a subscriber for real. I love her. And I love her family. They're just so genuine.
I was just ready to see if it's really as good as people make it seem. So some people just be hopping on the bandwagon. But it's actually good.
No, it's actually good.
And I didn't grow up eating, what's it called, butter sauce?
What you
Something
grew
like
up
that.
eating?
Just straight butter. Like, we would just melt butter and dip our crab legs in it. Like, I didn't grow up putting like the actual, so like, I was ready to try this. Or the only time we had sauce is if it's in a bag. But actual, like, on the side, dipping it in, ooh, you taste more of the sauce.
I didn't grow up eating seafood, period.
Really?
My parents don't like seafood.
What?
And I only started eating seafood like maybe 2 years ago, if that. Oh my gosh, this don't make no sense. Wait, stop it. Oh my gosh, I got your phone, Daddy.
Really, nigga?
Sorry. One night stand. How you feel about one night stands?
I feel like if you grown to each their own. If you want to have a one night stand, cool. If you want to make a man wait 3, 4, 5 months, cool. Everybody got their preference. And a lot of people have a one night stand and be with that person the rest of their life. Yeah.
I pretty much feel the same way. Like, I don't have a like a negative connotation when it comes to something like that. I just feel like as long as you're safe,
That too.
then, you know, do whatever you feel like you want to do.
Yeah, you gotta be safe out here.
This was worth the wait. I haven't eaten all day. I have not.
Y'all, it's 7:30.
I had some Gatorade. I had a cookie and a couple pieces of chips. I was saving my appetite for this.
I got me a Sonic breakfast burrito this morning. But I still want to tear this up. Hey, my egg got stuck.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, the lemon sets it off.
It's so messy.
Oh my gosh. What? Huh? You know what something just does not make sense? This don't make no sense how good it is. And I've been watching so many videos. Everybody else trying to sauce. I'm like, bro, I gotta get this sauce. As soon, I'm subscribed, so I got the notification. She was talking about it's on Amazon now. I ain't never clicked so damn fast. I went to that link so fast. And I'm glad that I did because she said it sold out fast. 4 hours, it was gone. It was gone. Oh my gosh.
It's definitely.
This
It was
is
not hyped up. It was actually good. And the fact that she just put stuff together and it turned out like, you know,
shit.
like one of her recipes is Coke.
I would never think to put Coke in something like this.
I would never think to put Coke at all. Who cooking like some sauce and says, add some Coke, bro? Add some Coke. Yeah, that looks good. This way you gotta scoop it. Ooh.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh.
That's good. That lemon really do make it good.
What? I feel like I can't even thoroughly talk because I'm just really enjoying this so much.
Oh, good. Right here.
I used the whole and I'm so glad I didn't. I'm so glad I did not use the whole season. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't use the whole seasoning packet because who knows when the next time is that she's gonna have some.
Right. Oh my gosh. True.
Oh my, I lost my crab. I lost my crab meat in the sauce.
I feel like noodles will be good with it.
Oh my gosh, am I drunk? Y'all,
She's a bad influence, y'all.
I am a bad influence.
Like, don't get that with Tracy unless you
You
can
can't
take it.
You can't hang out with me. You can't go out with me if you're not about that life, period. Because all my bitches, they know what's up when we go out. They already know what to expect. I am the friend that will, I don't want to say shove drinks down your throat, but I'm the first one to say, y'all trying to take a shot? Y'all trying to drink?
You be thinking you finna have like a sober day.
No, ma'am, no,
Tracy
ma'am.
just come in the picture.
I'm always here for a good time, you know?
Who I'm getting full.
Okay, so you want to talk about getting your body done? How do you feel about it? Do you feel like society is like playing a role in all of this? Like people are getting confused, or do you feel like people are doing too much? Do you care? Like,
I feel like social media probably makes women think they need to get their body done,
right?
when really they might not need to. Well, really no woman needs to. But if you want to get your body done, you got the money for it. Tracy feeling good. If you got the money for it and you want to do it, it's your life. Do it. Go ahead, girl. Don't let nobody stop you. But do it for you and not for no man and not for other people. Just, that's my only thing about it.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry for my I forgot there was eggs. I'm about to say sorry for my random outburst, but like y'all don't understand. Like this is actually good. I feel like society obviously does play a part in it. But some people take it to the next level, baby.
Yeah.
They be doing a little too much. And it doesn't help that you have men that are saying like, oh, there's men that feel like somebody isn't good enough or women aren't good enough because they don't have this or because they don't have that. And then that, I feel like that reinforces negative thoughts in certain women, which makes them go out to get work done. And it's like, at the end of the day, you have to love you for you. And I'm not opposed to getting your body done, do what makes you happy, but I would just hope that it's one of those things where you actually are happy after you get your body done, and it's not like, because it can become a disease.
Yep.
Like, there are people who are actually addicted to getting their bodies done, and it's like, I don't know. I don't care. Do what makes you happy, but make sure you're doing it for the right reasons, kind of thing.
I feel like imaging changes so much because every girl used to want to be skinny. Not every bitch want to be thick. Gotta have a small waist, fat booty, big tits. How we know in 5 years it's gonna go to who know what? Mm-hmm. You gonna change it again? Make your body the way you want it to be. Because then you gonna go change your body again to looking like what everybody else want to look like. Y'all all look the same. Shit. Mm-hmm. Walking around looking like Coke bottles. So,
society chooses the standard of what women should look like. So, shit, I wouldn't be surprised if in the next couple of years the standard changes. Like, it's like now we live in a time where now people want to be accepting of.
Stop.
Now people want to be accepting of chocolate women. Like, being chocolate is a trend.
When before they used to try to this and that.
Like,
yeah.
When I was in elementary school, I used to get like tea. I'm African, by the way. I'm Kenyan, and it's like
Yeah, now everybody want a Kenyan or wants an African.
Yeah,
Like,
I don't
everybody
know.
want an African man and blah blah blah. But then when you was in school, people used to like make fun of them.
Yeah, people used to talk about me.
All that shit.
All
like,
of that.
And now it's like, oh,
Being
I'm an African man.
it's trending. Like my melanin is trending now. It's crazy.
Which is messed up. Yeah.
Woo! I'm getting kind of full.
Me too. Because I start eating the light stuff. So I done had, I think I had 2 potatoes, a few. I done had everything. Honestly.
Y'all, we took a shot.
Like I said, bad influence. Y'all, I'm thinking I'm gonna come up here and eat. Get over here, got cups of liquor and shit. And you wanna take a shot to it, do say? Yeah, we can have some wine. Damn, 5 o'clock in the dang afternoon. Bad influence, y'all.
This feels so good. It just makes you want to do some things. Oh. Oh my gosh, like.
Oh, I'm full. We kind of ate a lot, bro. Whew. Really full.
Our last topic is gonna be just like dates and how do you feel like a man is entitled to pay for dates, first date type of thing?
Yes.
Just in general?
Okay, if it's a first date, because most of the time, men ask a woman on a date. Y'all be the main ones approaching. So if you ask me on a date, that means you asking me to go. So you're asking to pay. Now, if it's like a relationship, that's one of them things where it's like, whoever just decides to pay, just pay. Like, it don't even matter. But first date, pull your wallet out. And if you left your credit card, I left mine too. So what we gonna do?
Honestly, I just feel like it depends on the person. But if it is, well, it depends on who asked who. Because if you ask someone on a date, I feel like it's implied that you're gonna pay. Versus them asking you. So it just depends. But if you're in a relationship, I feel like it's also implied that y'all can like split it. And by that I mean, like, you know, sometimes this person pays, or even like one person pays the full bill and another person leaves the tip. So,
okay, so what if you out, you get asked on a date. Y'all go to like a restaurant or something, and she gonna bring the ticket. If you say split the check,
I'm looking at him just clearly it wasn't a date thing. Don't be in my phone either. And thing is, I feel like a lot of men, because there are women who just want to go on dates because they're broke. But baby, I got a job. Baby, I got a job. I have no problem paying for my food and for your food. But it's just the principle. It's all about the principle. Like, if you're asking me on a date, it's just implied. Like, it's implied that
you
you're
asked me to go.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't plan on going to these places.
And I have no problem asking a guy on a date. And if I do that, I have no problem paying either. Like, I don't know. I just feel like it's just always.
That's why when you go out, y'all, okay, ladies, if you go somewhere with the dude, and like, y'all get to the register or the bill come, and you don't know if you're gonna pay, just sit there. Or you gotta hit that move where you just like kind of open your purse real slow, act like you pulling your wallet out, and he pull his wallet out quick, and you're like, oh, thank you. Dang.
I'm sorry, that was a little dramatic, but I tried to piece of me.
Yeah. But pull your wallet out slow. Don't pull the card out fast like I'm gonna pay. Let him pull his out pull yours out slow, like you finna pay, when really in your head, really you ain't on him to pull his out. And when he do pull it out, be like, oh, thank you.
You don't have to do that.
Yeah. So always pull your wallet and your card, your cash, anything. Pull it out slow. Shoot. Y'all be so quick to pay.
So I have a question because I know I have a lot of male subscribers. I'm still mad about that piece of meat I dropped. But for all my male subscribers, do y'all feel like if you pay for a date, you're entitled to more, to some fun? You know what I'm saying? I don't want to. Y'all should know what I'm talking about because y'all should know. I'm assuming we're all grown, but you know, the way YouTube is set up, I don't want to just be talking about certain things openly. But like, I feel like there are really guys who feel entitled to, you know, some night activities.
Sex not a bad word.
Some activities after they pay for a date. And I'm just like, this thought process, I mean, I feel like I kind of understand it.
I don't. Because if you feel like you paying for somebody to go on a date with you and she's supposed to give you something, she not a prostitute. You ain't never entitled to get nothing unless you want to give it to you. So
I'm going to be this.
she can make you pay her bills and still don't give you none.
Now, we're not shaming anybody.
Oh, no. Never.
That feels the need to do this.
Never.
You know, have sex
whenever you want. If you want to do it, if you meet somebody in an hour and want to do something, go ahead. That's you.
Yeah.
But I feel like men should not feel like just because you paid for a female's date,
that
means you have to come to their house after. Or she got to come over after and you got to get more. Like, no, you just pay for it. Like,
and I'm only saying this because
crazy.
I know men like this. I really know men in real life that feel like if they pay for a date, they're gonna get some. So, you know, just wanted to talk, stir up a conversation or whatever.
They're gonna be mad.
I can't be entitled to my ooh.
That happened to me. I have to use a spoon. Oh, I could not get it out.
Anyways, I guess that's it for the end of the video, y'all. We ate. We still got so much left, but we ate.
We had a lot. We pretty much ate all our crab legs almost. We got like 1, 2, really only like 3 things left with crab legs. And there was a lot in here.
It was a lot, yeah. Ooh! Alright. So, damn, I had a lot of shit on my chair. I just want to say thank y'all for the real ones that made it to the end of the video, because I know some of y'all probably skipped ahead or whatever, watched a couple of seconds and exited out. It's okay though, you know. I ain't mad at you. I am not mad. Stay tuned for more videos, because I do have a lot of stuff coming up. Like I said, you know, I'm a student, so I'm trying to balance everything and just, you know, make sure I have everything taken care of, because YouTube ain't paying me yet. So, you know, yeah. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on all my socials. I'm probably most active on Twitter and then Instagram. But if y'all want to interact with me, follow me on my socials, because I like to talk to people. You know, I like meeting new people and whatever, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. And I'm gonna have her YouTube channel details down below in the description box, so that y'all can check her out. Because like I said, my bitch slays. She made,
that was like in
it was like
April? March? April?
It was in January.
Almost a year ago.
Yeah.
And she still got it.
Bundle still stiff wear.
Hit me up.
Hit my girl up. And yeah, that's the end of the video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.